Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving on Hagley Park Road. We're going to give you a tour of one of the busiest roads in Jamaica. Now, Hagley Park Road takes you from Halfway Tree, which is where we are now, to Spanish Town Road, and then from Spanish Town Road you can turn left and go into downtown Kingston or turn right and head towards Mandela Highway. Basically drive out of the city of Kingston. Now this road was recently upgraded. As you can see, it's now a 4-lane dual carriageway, very nicely done, and it also has the only double overpass in Jamaica. So as we drive down to the end, you will see the double overpass. The road that we'll be on, the top overpass, that's Hagley Park Road. The lower overpass is Spanish Town Road, and then the ground level is the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. And that intersection, the Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, is actually the busiest intersection in Jamaica. So that will give you an idea of just how busy this road is. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.